So I'm driving by the fast food place and I have to make a decision. Do I want to go in, park my car, stand in line, order my food, wait for my food, go back to my car and then come home? Or do I want to just go home and fix a fast lunch? I decide to fix a fast lunch. The shrimp was already cooked. It was peeled and deveined, and all I had to do was to defrost a little bit, add some sauce to it, or some seasoning to it, as you would say, and that would be it. The shrimp part of my lunch was done. It's already cooked, for heaven's sakes. So I added some Old Bay seasoning to shrimp that was already cooked and deveined. The next evolution, of course, was to cook up some rice. I like rice. So I got some bouillon, a cup of rice. I had some water boiling. Of course, I put that bouillon seasoning in the water. Got the water to boil. Once it started to boil, of course, I simply added 1 cup of rice to the 2 cups of water. Put the lid on, and all I had to do was to wait for about 25 minutes. Okay, 30 minutes or so. So, at the end of 30 minutes or so, all I had to do was to remove the lid because the rice was done. That's why I like rice, because it's so fast, so easy to cook. 2 cups of water, 1 cup of rice. As you know, I like butter, so I added butter. I added the seasoned shrimp right on top. Once I did that, by the way, do you like my arrangement? Kind of cute, huh? Once I did that, I replaced the lid for another 10 minutes, maybe 15 minutes, and just waited. Once that was done, lunch was ready, and I knew what was inside that food. Okay, so it might have taken a little bit longer than the fast food, but you know what? I know what I was eating, and the only disadvantage that I can see is that I have to do the dishes. Don't forget to share your comments and your suggestions, and thank you again for watching this video.